Welcome to AWC Woods Workshop. I'm Mike Holden. In the next 34 days, we are going to be building 30 different models. This is a big feat for me to try to get this accomplished. Each and every model that we have laid out, we're going to do step by step on how to make it and my process to make it. I don't always follow each process. I kind of simplify it a little bit. But I hope y'all follow along with me. We're proudly sponsored by Bear Wood Supply Company. You can find them at bearwood.com. Buy all your plans and parts from them. They have a great selection of all. I hope y'all enjoy these small videos that I will be doing for the next 34 days. Thank you.